Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your LG G8 Thinq. This time it's a case from Spigen. It's actually their rugged armor case in black. Bam, look at that. You can actually pick up this case from Amazon, just like I did. You know, in this review, I'm gonna test out and make sure everything fits. We're gonna make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge with the case on there? And then the overall feel of the case. So let's get into this review. Nice presentation from Spigen. Bam. Pause that if you want to. Also, they have a green campaign going on. Recycle less waste, like packaging. Follow them on their social media websites. Now again, this is not a clear case. You can pick up the clear case if you want to, also on Amazon. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Bam, look at that. Little branding on the inside. You also have some Spigen branding here. Carbon fiber design at the top and the bottom. Bam. Alright, so let's see how this bad boy fits. You do get some lip action around the sides. Again, not much, but you definitely get some. Also on the back, you do get that protection for your cameras. This case, I like how they have the leeway into the fingerprint scanner. That's actually pretty cool. The cutouts at the bottom line up. The microphone at the top, you can definitely see it lines up. Also, they have the cutout for the microphone on the sides. The power button feels great. Fingerprint scanner works. The volume rockers definitely work, and they're easy to press too. Now the Google Assistant button, I can't really try out because I have it turned off, disabled, but it is rich. Look at that, easy to find. Man, this case feels really good too. Doesn't have much weight or bulk to your phone, but it really feels good. Let's test out the fit. Oh, this one fits snug too. Bam, look at that. Now, the last thing we want to check to make sure you can wireless charge with the case on it. Again, I don't think we will have a problem, but let's find out. All right, so I have my wireless charger here. Let's see. Bam, just like that. I didn't think we would have a problem. So you can wireless charge with the case on it. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG G8 Thinq. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.